Welcome to Nature Quiz. 15 questions about animals and birds. First question. What is the largest mammal in the world? Elephant, blue whale, giraffe, hippopotamus. I know you got it right. Blue whale. Which bird is known for its impressive mimicry skills? Parrot, eagle, penguin, and owl. Those are the options. Yay! Parrot! Now, you know where the options are, so you can read them. Think, think, think. Think quick. Get the answer. Yay! It's a lion. Which animal is famous for its ability to change color to blend into its surroundings? Yay, a chameleon. What is the fastest land animal? Cheetah, lion, gazelle, horse. I guess you know the answer. It's a cheetah. Which animal is known for its distinctive black and white stripes? Zebra, tiger, panda, skunk. Think quick. It's a zebra. What type of animal is a Komodo dragon? Mammal, bird, reptile, fish. Think, think, think. Reptile. Which animal is capable of its regrowing lost limbs? Tick, 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 tick. Think, think, think. Tick, 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 tick. Yay! It was a starfish. What's the tallest animal in the world? Elephant, giraffe, kangaroo, polar bear. The answer is giraffe. Which sea creature has 8 legs? Shark, dolphin, octopus, and whale. Those are the options. Thinky, thinky, thinky. Yay, an octopus. Which animal is known for its ability to change color? Rabbit, chameleon, octopus, and deer. Chameleon. What is the main diet of a panda? Bamboo, fish, leaves, insects. Those are the options. Think, 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 think. Tick, tick, tock. Bamboo. Which animal is known for its trunk? Tick, tock, tick, tock. Hurry, hurry. The time's running out. Rhino, elephant, anteater, giraffe. It is an elephant. What animal can sleep for 3 years without eating? Snake, bear, snail, tortoise. Let's see. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Snail. Read the options. Which animal has the longest lifespan? Tick tock, tick tock. Hurry, hurry. The time is running out. Galapagos tortoise. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.